Class, I want to show you two ways how to create a roof. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, for way number one, is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab the pencil tool and I'm going to find the midpoint. I'm going to go straight across to the other midpoints and then I'm going to come grab the move tool. Once we do that, we're going to drag it up and you want to follow the blue axis point. And you can kind of tell real quick that it's blue. Let me go ahead and hit Command Z. I'll orbit around so you can see it a little bit better. So I'm going to use the move tool. Watch, so we're going to stay along the blue line. Alright? Just like that. Otherwise, what happens is, you see it's the black line, it's off the blue axis. So you want to stay on it, then you click again, and there it is. Okay, that's one way to do it. Okay? Again, I'm going to show you two ways. Here's the second way right here. Get rid of that line. What you could do is you could take this pencil, find the midpoint, go along the blue axis line. You can look on the bottom right hand corner, see where it says 6 feet, 7 feet. Let's just tell it to go up, I'll just tell it to go up 7, apostrophe, and I'm going to say enter, okay? That's exactly 7 feet up, okay? Then I'm going to come over here from one endpoint to that endpoint. And then I'm going to go from here to here. Then what we can do is we can take the eraser, we can erase this, and then I'm going to orbit around and I'm going to use the move tool. What would have been smart if I would have actually measured this out, if it was 12 feet across, 13 feet across. So if you don't do that, you just come down here and you just have to zoom in and get as close as possible. There we go. Snaps right in. So that's two different ways that you can do it. I will show you a third and fourth way in another video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.